Affiliate marketing isn't about luck. It's all about understanding your data. Who's clicking, where they're coming from, every detail matters. And with the AzonPress Advanced Report Dashboard, you get all of that in one clean, easy-to-read place. So let's check out what the Advanced Report Dashboard offers. Start with the click tracking overview. There are 4 summary cards available. Each card provides an overview of the clicks you receive from your affiliate products. So let's take a closer look at what each of these cards tells you. Having visitors is great, but clicks are what actually generate revenue. This card shows exactly how many people are clicking on your product links, giving you a real sense of engagement. But here's the thing, consistent clicks are good, yet you should always aim to scale. So keep an eye on your unique clicks to see how well you are really performing. Next, check out your total views. It helps you understand how much traffic your site's getting and what portion of it actually converts into sales. After checking your total clicks and views, here you will see how many different countries your customers are coming from. A perfect way to measure your global impact. Underneath, there's the click tracking report. A simple line chart showing your recent clicks. It's perfect for spotting trends and figuring out which days perform best. Besides, the affiliate statistics section provides a quick snapshot of your overall setup. How many product tables you have built, whether your Amazon API key is active or not. It's like a quick health checkup for your entire system. And if you ever need help, just hit View Usage Guide. It will take you straight to detailed documentation with step-by-step instructions. Everything you need to track, analyze, and grow your affiliate business all in one place. AzonPress. Affiliate marketing doesn't get better than this. Grab it now.